Are you feeling stuck in life and looking for something to help you move forward? Or are you looking for a powerful stone to help you heal emotionally and foster stronger relationships? Unakite is a stone of new beginnings that can help bring balance, grounding, and healing. Unakite is an extremely powerful healer that can help you recognize, confront, and release any negative emotions or thoughts. This healing crystal not only cleanses away stagnant energy, but also heals past emotional wounds, allowing you to raise your self-image and start anew with a positive outlook of life. Promotes strong relationships while also assisting in ending bad habits so that you can foster self-love. Plus, it's especially supportive of new love, perfect for anyone who needs a little extra boost of confidence as they take their first steps into the future. Get ready for positive change and to take control of your life with Unakite. Meditating with Unakite can be a powerful tool to explore the connections between our heart and our mind. It helps us to understand our emotional influences over our thoughts, desires, and actions. Unakite also serves as an excellent grounding stone for spiritual work, helping us to stay centered in the present. Unakite can also be used to visualize the manifestation of our desires and intentions. Wearing Unakite jewelry can help promote emotional balance and grounding, as well as enhance our feelings of love and compassion. Unakite promotes harmony between the mind, body, and spirit, allowing you to release negative energy and finding inner peace. When wearing a Unakite bracelet, it is recommended to wear it on your non-dominant hand. For those who are right-handed, this would be your left hand. This is because the non-dominant hand is associated with the receiving energy and the subconscious mind. By wearing this bracelet on your left hand or your non-dominant hand, you maximize the metaphysical benefits of Unakite and promote deeper connection to your inner self. Carry a Unakite tumbled stone with you throughout the day when you need a little extra support, comfort, or stability. Unakite is believed to enhance your intuition and help you make decisions on clarity and awareness. Place a piece of Unakite near your computer or in your wallet to attract positive energies of abundance. To cleanse, Unakite is a water-safe crystal, as we know from the Mohs hardness scale, because it grades between a 6 and a 7. So you can hold this stone under running water to cleanse, or you can use your preferred method of smoke cleansing, soil from the earth, sound cleansing, or placing it underneath the full moon.